Ladies and gentlemen, for the second time in less than a week, the Honourable the Chief Justice has taken to launching a public attack against His Excellency the President and the Executive at large through an avalanche of press conferences. This is not only a serious breach of established norms of government, but is also a puzzling move given the direct line of communication that exists between the Honourable the Chief Justice and His Excellency the President. Of particular concern is the fact that these emotive and highly charged public attacks by the Honourable the Chief Justice have now taken a decisively personal slant. I will not join the raging public in discussing the overall temperate and stability of some of us called to serve. Further, the Honourable the Chief Justice is openly commenting on the relative merits and demerits of cases involving the Executive, which are still pending in the courts. This not only creates a perception that the Honourable the Chief Justice is seeking to influence the outcome of these cases, but also raises questions as to why he, as a Justice of the Supreme Court, is expressing extrajudicial opinions on matters that may end up in the Supreme Court for hearing and determination. The Executive declines to follow the example of the Honourable the Chief Justice in a descent into public forum attacks. We strongly believe in the norms of governance and in the long-established communication channels between arms of government. The Executive shall not play to the gallery, but rather we shall reach out to our counterparts and seek to build synergies and cooperation demanded by the people of Kenya from